Hello everyone, my name is Anish Devastale and I am going to do the blanket challenge today. Soon the winters are going to be approaching and temperatures in Delhi drop to below 0 degrees Celsius regularly. There are 20 lakh poor people in Delhi and most of them endure the winter without any warm wear. So I urge you all to donate blankets to someone in need. I am going to donate this blanket to our maid Radha. It feels good to donate blankets and knowing that a family will endure the winter more easily. So share this video with all your friends and don't forget to use the hashtag the blanket challenge. I nominate Suvil, Shubham, Akleen and Apu to do the same in the next 24 hours. Thank you.
Going to donate 2 blankets to homeless people or people living in the streets. The blanket challenge is really interesting in the way because the winters of Delhi indeed though are tough, but they're not as harsh as Siberia that you need a tremendous amount of resources to actually cope with the temperatures. Every year thousands of reports come in the newspapers as well as everywhere else where people die 5 or 10 a week because of the cold wave and they couldn't survive it for the night. It is actually astonishing and very frightening. Even in 2015 inside the capital of the world's biggest democracy, we have not been able to figure out this simple solution. People living on the streets might not have much resources, but one single blanket could make a big difference in their survival. Now I hope this time, this winter is different. People, please donate a blanket to someone in need, people living on the streets or just plain who don't have a home. Please, for goodness sake, one blanket would make a huge difference in the life of someone. Just one blanket. And let this be a winter where no one dies and we don't hear any reports of people giving up on their lives because they couldn't survive the cold wave.
A person in need is a person indeed. Hello everyone, I am Sweety Dikshit and we as EDC team are trying to initiate a new move, that is a blanket challenge, in order to help each and everyone who cannot afford those liabilities that we have. I believe if we have all the liabilities, if we have that much money to afford it, then why not help those who are not even getting a person to fit? Through this blanket challenge, it's our motive that the year 2014, the winters should not go in vain, should not result in death of people just because of winter. It's our responsibility to make our world make our country one of the best and help each and everyone. Thank you.